Hey guys, this is Tim Verdouw and welcome to my Smarketo review. Today I'm going to show you what Smarketo is all about. I'm going to talk about the pros, going to talk about the cons, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. I'm also going to talk about some upsells that you can expect when you buy this product, but also my bonuses. I created some custom bonuses that I think you will like when you see them, and they're also congruent with this product. So let's dive into this review. Let's dive into the product itself. And we're already logged in. This is the dashboard that you're seeing right now. When you log into Smarketo, this is what you will see for the first time. Let me first tell you what Smarketo is. And it is a cloud-based application that allows you to do multiple things all in one platform. And what multiple things can you do? Well, for example, you can create sales pages, you can create pop-ups, you can create lead pages, you can create lead forms, you can send emails within this platform, you can create autoresponders with this platform. So yeah, simply put, it is a all-in-one platform that allows you to do all of these things. And right now, when I upload this video or maybe a day later, you can get this platform for a one-time investment. And after a week, they're going to charge a monthly fee for the same platform. So if you're seeing this at the start, that's good. Let me tell you what it is. Let me show you what it is. When you log in, what I like about Smarketo is that this is what you will see. So everything is very clear. If you want to start something, you start from your dashboard and you simply select what you want to do. Now, the thing I don't like about it is that it looks like it has 3 things here, 3 things here, 2 things here, and 3 things here. But that's not true. When you create a sales page, that's exactly the same. It's going to open the same program than when you start making a lead page, for example, or a forms. So that's a bit of confusing, but on the other hand, it's also organized. It's just how you see it. Personally, I would prefer one menu with all the things in it so that you know what it is, but it also makes things clear. Now, what is it? What can you do? Let us first create a sales page because it creates landing pages, pop-ups, etc., lead pages. So that's what you can do with Smarketo. And actually what Smarketo is, let me create a sales page. When I click on sales page, it's going to open a new tab and it will open Profit Mozo. Now, this is a standalone application that is now connected with Smarketo. And the same thing is with your forms, for example. When you open your forms, it's going to open Mail Primo, which is the email application, which is also a standalone email application. But right now, it's all combined within one application. Your account is linked to all these applications in once, and they communicate with each other. So that makes it very interesting. Why Smarketo is so interesting, because you get access to all these tools. I know that certain of these products will be sold separately and you're going to pay exactly the same amount for it. And right now you get all these applications basically for the same price, only you got multiple applications in one. Now, when you create a new sales page, so let me create a new sales page. It works like this. So here you see some examples already. You simply click on create a profit page and then you got to give it a name. So this is my test page. And as you can see, it automatically creates a URL for me and I can say create. And then I can choose from a bunch of templates. As you can see, there are a lot of templates in here that you can choose from. Really impressive. A lot of templates that you can choose from. The thing I don't like is that these images are, or this backend is being built on, how can I say that? The images don't look very well because they're stretched. If you have a large monitor like I do, images are stretched. Well, normally it should look like something like this. These are the normal sizes. So it looks a bit amateurish to me. However, it's not, because the pages are well designed. But you can choose from one of these pages. Well, here you got lead pages. Then we got a tab with all promo pages. You got a tab with viral pages, with webinar pages, registration pages, sales pages, and other pages. So there are a lot of templates in here that you can use. Now, for example, when you want to create a lead page, you simply go and select one of the lead pages that you want to use. You can also click on preview, and then it will show you a quick image of the page itself. It's not a full-blown page, but you can get an idea of what it is. You can also go to the right with this button, and you can see all these images. And as you can see, some images look better than other images. These images are looking good. So once you've decided which one you want to pick, you simply select one of these templates. So just take this one. Let me select this one. And now you got a done for you template that you can use and modify. So right now I can just go to the text and I can edit it to my own needs. So simple application, and well, you got the point. You can change everything. You can change the font colors in here. So when you select this, you can make this a red color. Everything can be modified the way you want to use it. Now, I also going to tell what I don't like about it, and that is that there's no flexibility in these pages. There will be a lot of pages. You just saw that you got a lot of templates, and you have to do it with the templates that are in Smarketo, and that's it. You cannot modify it. So for example, when I want to create an extra area here at the bottom, that's not possible. I cannot duplicate. The only thing that I can do is I can duplicate a complete field like this. So when I click this button, duplicate, it has two of the same areas in here, as you can see. And then I can say, okay, I want to delete this button. So there's a little flexibility, but I cannot say I want to create a complete new area at the bottom here where I want to add my own thing. So you are limited to the templates that are provided with Smarketo. So this is what you will get. This is what you will see. What I like about it is that you can simply go to the design tab here at the left top, and you can say, okay, I want to hide parts of this site. So as you can see right now, all the things at the bottom are hidden, and I can enable that, I can hide that, or I can show that. So if there are sections in here that you don't like, you simply click hide or show, and as you can see, it now hides the top, and then it will hide or show the parts that you want to hide or show. It's as simply as that is. So that's a cool thing, but I don't like the fact that you don't have flexibility. At the other hand, you got so many templates that there's probably a template in Smarketo that you can use that will fit your needs. So on each page, there is a setting page, so you can change your SEO, your title, your description, keywords, and third-party scripts. So if you want to run scripts on your websites, that's also possible. And then you got your settings in here. In this case, we were building a landing page where you can select your autoresponder. So in this case, MailPrimo is selected or is connected to this application. And here I can select one of the lists that I've created with MailPrimo. So for example, if I want to add persons that subscribe to this list, I can say, okay, I want to add these people to this list, and then I'm going to save this, and then people will be automatically added to that list. And that's how simple this page builder works. Then you simply click on publish, and then this page will be published, and you can open it in a new tab. Here's a URL to that page. And you can also create a Facebook tab from this website, which is pretty cool. I haven't tested this, but that means that on your Facebook business page, you can create a tab that will look like the design that you just created with ProfitSomo, with this page builder. It's published right now, so I can go back to my home. And like I said at the beginning, and by the way, this is an extended version of a review. I hope you like that, because I want to show you all the ins and outs. So what it does is it opens a complete new area, like I just showed you. When you create a sales page, it opens a complete new area, a complete new application. And within that application, you can configure all different things. So for example, when I go in here, you see here I have the settings of my business, for example. So I can set up my business within Profit Mozo to say so. But I can also add integrations to this platform. So like you see here, I can also say I want to connect my get response, or I want to connect my Aweber to Profit Mozo, which means that I can also add persons to one of my autoresponders that are in here if you're not using the autoresponder that comes with Smarketo. So that's possible. You can connect all these applications in here to Profit Mozo. So every page has a setting. So this is my landing page builder. But for example, when I go to my autoresponder, to my broadcaster, for example, then it's going to load Mail Primo or Mail Primo. And there I also have my settings here at the right top. Here I can also configure all the things within this application. So you get multiple applications within Smarketo that you need to configure to your own needs. And that makes it pretty cool because you can modify it to your own needs. So let me close this one. Let me close this one. Sometimes it can be a bit confusing if you have open multiple tabs in what kind of application you're working. I prefer that they should have add something at the top, like a logo with the description. But at the other hand, you can see that here are the pages that you just created. Well, within the pages, you also got your reports. So the profit page, there are reports in here. 85 visitors, 2 visitors today, etc. So you also get some reports. I got a cough. I'm back. Yes, the sound is on. Sorry about that. So there's a library with your images, with stock files, your settings. There's special training, especially for this application. Some frequently asked questions. And your pages, of course. So if you want to create a page, you should simply do that within this application. Now, this is one of the options. That's a sales page. Then there's a promo pop-up. This is something completely different where you can create pop-ups. And you're going to do that with Profit Fox, which is connected again to Smarketo. And here you can create all different kind of pop-ups. So you simply create a new campaign, or you use a certain project where you're already working in. You can create a campaign title. So review, test, and you're going to say add. And right now you can choose from all these templates again from your pop-ups. Now there are different pop-ups that comes within this application. And sometimes it jumps a bit, as you can see on the big screen. But these are all the applications or all the pop-ups that you can choose from. So they're normal pop-ups, but they're also, let me see where I can get them, these top banners. Let me preview. This is that you're going to put on the top of your page. I also use these banners. You can see that on my website. They convert really well. I do that also on my promotional pages where I say to people, hey, don't miss out on my exclusive bonuses. And then they can click to my bonuses. So you can create those things. And again, you can click on the right button to see more. Here you can see all the different kind of pop-ups that you can choose from. So for example, if you say, I want to use this pop-up, then you have to go to the pop-ups yourself. Personally, I would have loved to see that when I go through the previews that I could also choose them from within the preview, but that's not possible. So you have to go through the previews yourself, and you got to select the pop-up. And then here you can change everything within a pop-up. So you can upload your own image. You can go to media. You can choose from the media that's already in your account. So the images that you already uploaded, or you can upload your own image within the pop-up itself. Here you can change everything. You can change the backgrounds, you can change the colors, etc. So for example, if you want to have another color, that's possible also. You simply drag and drop all these things in here, and you can modify it to your own needs. Again, a con of this pop-up builder is that you cannot add elements yourself. So you cannot say, I'm going to drag and drop another element in this pop-up. You really need to work with the previews, with the templates that are provided. And again, with this template, you can also hide certain things or show certain things. So if you don't want to have the image, you can delete the image, or you don't want to have the top text, you can delete that. And it's simply by selecting these selectors at the left side of the screen. And you can change these text, or you can duplicate some parts of it in this application also. Right here, you can say, okay, once you're done, you can say, I'm going to publish this pop-up. And there you have the options, what you want to do with this pop-up. So you can choose a segment. Not sure what that means. I haven't dived too deep into this, that I know what that is. Probably you can segment different pop-ups into segments. Choose the option on the whole website or a specific location on the website, which means that you can define where you want to let this pop-up show. So if a URL contains, for example, slash, I don't know, special offer like this, then it's only showing up at the URL that has the special offer, for example. How do you want to show when people visit your website or when they exit your website? You can change the animation, etc. You can change here the maximum number of times this campaign is shown to your visitors. So you can say, I want this only show one time when somebody comes on my website. Or you can say, no, people may see this 10 times with a maximum in one session of a day. For example, you can say 1, or you can say this can be unlimited. You can put this to 1,000. And then you have to define a date where this pop-up needs to show up. And this is personally one of the things I don't like about this pop-up settings, that you have to pick a date. Otherwise, the pop-up will not work. You cannot save the pop-up. But you need to pick a date. So for example, I'm going to put the date on today. And when you want to run this forever, then you simply need to change the year here to 2050. And then it will run forever. So you always need to provide a date. This should be optional in my opinion. Once you're done, you simply click on Save and Activate, and your pop-up is activated on your specific landing page that you've created. That's the second thing of Smarketo. Pretty cool. Then we got, what do we got more? We got the lead pages, sale pages. So again, when you want to want to create a sales page, we just did a lead page. You can simply create another one here. You can say, okay, this is a sales page demo, and we're going to create that. Then you simply go to the promo pages and you just pick one of these templates. Now, another nice thing that you can do with Profit Mozo, with this application that comes with Smarketo, is that you can also do bonus pages. If you want to create a bonus page, for example, like I'm also showing you. And by the way, if you want to see my bonus page, you can go to this URL. You can go to timverdal.com/Smarketo. But you can also create bonus pages with this application. And these are, when you go to others, I already searched for it and I searched on bonus. Here it says bonus page. There's a bonus template in here. And when you select this bonus page, let me get rid of my URL. When you select this bonus page, you will see that this is a done for you bonus page where you can change the things yourself. As you see here at the bottom, you see the bonuses that are being added to this page. So for example, when you purchase Profit Mozo, you also get instant access to these bonuses. What you can do is you can replace these bonuses with your own bonuses. So right now these are stock images, but you can also upload your own image and put your own product in here, for example. And then you can type your own title. So for example, WordPress plugin. I don't know, whatever you want to give away. And this way you can build your bonus pages with Profit Mozo, and you have to add up to 4 or 5 bonuses. That's the downside again, because it's not flexible that you can delete parts. However, if you want to add more bonuses, then you are able to duplicate this. And as you can see, I simply click on duplicate, and then I'm able to say, okay, I'm going to make this another bonus, bonus 6. I'm going to upload another picture here so I can add more bonuses to this page. But this allows you to create bonus page. And again, with this page also, you can say, okay, I want to hide certain things on this page. For example, I want to hide the top. I want to hide this part. I only want to show my bonuses, for example. When you purchase Profit Modes, you also get instant to these bonuses. And then you can publish your page, and then this is your bonus page. And then you can deliver your bonus pages. I would recommend you to do that through a Google Doc, for example, because it will be a great option if you could duplicate pages within Profit Mozo. And that's not possible. You cannot save pages or duplicate pages within Profit Mozo. So that's not possible. Right now it's saving. Not sure why it takes so long, but this is a live review. So the next thing, those are my pages. So you can create sales pages, opt-in page, etc. You saw the templates, right? That's what you do with that. You can also create forms, but these forms has to do with your emails. Or that's not true. These forms can be, you build these forms, but they will be connected with your email. So let me do that one quickly so that you see how that works also. You can create a web form, which simply means that you can capture email addresses from the people that download your products or your freebie or etc. So once you open this application, it always takes a little while to load. As you can see, we're in here now. Somehow I did something wrong. I already clicked something. So let's go back to the dashboard again. No, to my, well, let's load it again. Forms. Not sure what I did. So it's taking a little while to load. That's every time you load this. And then once it's loaded, you can click on Create Web Form. And that's within a few seconds probably. So when I click this button, I'm not sure why this takes a little long. Okay, so I create a new web form. And then in here, you need to select the list where you want to add this web form to. So for example, I want to add these people that subscribe to this opt-in form to my demo list, and then you click next. Oh, I need to give a form name, so review form, and then I click next. And then I can choose from all these templates again what kind of opt-in form I want to use. So for example, if I say I want to use this one, select template, then I can use this template. And then again, here are some settings. You can change the custom thank you page. So there's a custom page if you want to redirect them to another page or to your download page. And already subscribed. So if people already subscribe to your list, you can also send those to a custom list if you want to. You can enable or disable double opt-ins. And you can add also some custom fields. So for example, now it's only an email address, but you could also add the first name, for example, or you can add your phone number. Somehow, this is also one thing that I spotted when I scrolled through this. It's maybe it's because of my computer, but it's a little bibbering. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. It works, but it looks a bit weird. Do you see that? So you can select or unselect those custom fields, and once you're done, you can go to save and publish. And then here you got the specific codes that you can use anywhere. So you can use the hosted link. So when you send people, from example, when you are doing a promotion on Facebook, you can say, hey, do you want to get a free ebook about this or that? And then you can share this link with the people that will redirect them to this page for you. So that's the form builder where you can choose from these forms. And here you can use a script if you want to use a script in your website or just an HTML code. Now there also comes a broadcaster and an autoresponder with Smarketo, and that's the same thing that we were in right here. As you click on Mail Primo, you have the options in here to send a newsletter or an autoresponder. So what the dashboard does, it simply leads you to the right application, to the right part in the application. So right now you can set up a newsletter in here. You can send out newsletters with MailPrimo, and you can choose to have the inline editor or simply plain text if you want to send a plain text. So let me quickly go through this. You can say, okay, my name is Jamie, and the subject is how to get XXX, and from name is Jamie, and then your email address, and then your SMTP server. Now here comes the trick. They say when you buy Smarketo that you can send unlimited emails. You can send unlimited emails, but you need to connect your MailPrimo account, this account, you need to connect that with an external SMTP server. One of the things that I don't like about this application, Smarketo or MailPrimo, however you want to call this, is that you do not have the option, or there is no documentation how to connect this with external SMTP servers. And that's a very hard job. If you don't know what you're doing, that's a very hard job. And that's also why I'm adding a custom bonus myself where I show you exactly how to connect. When you go to the help menu, you only get this guide from MailPrimo, how you can connect MailPrimo to Gmail or Yahoo. But the big problem is when you connect this application to Gmail or to Yahoo is that you are limited to send out 50 or 100 emails a day, while you want to send out hundreds or thousands of emails a day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give an extra bonus if you decide to purchase through my link. I'm going to give you a custom tutorial that I've created where I'm going to show you how you can connect MailPrimo to an external SMTP server that allows you to send out 10,000 emails for free. And if you want to send out more, it will cost you a little bit. I'm going to show you how that works and how you can set that up, how you can connect your own domain to MailPrimo so that you can email with your own domain. And I'm going to show you how you can change your DNS settings, etc., within your hosting provider. So this is difficult for people that have no knowledge, have no idea how to do this. I'm going to show you how to connect your SMTP server with MailPrimo so that you can send unlimited emails with MailPrimo. With that having said, I'm going to choose my SMTP server here. I click on next, and here I can choose from the templates again. And as you can see here, the templates are all stretched. You see, normally this should be something like this. This is a normal design when you look at this. Okay, so but it gives an idea of how the templates look like. I personally like to have plain emails, but just to show you what is possible with MailPrimo. So this is a template that you can use. You can modify this to your own needs. You can add your text in here. You can link your text, etc., to wherever you want. You can link your buttons. And then once you've done, you click on next, and there you can choose where you want to send this email to. So for example, you want to send this to your demo list, simply select your demo list, and you can include tags, etc. And then you can click on next, and then you need to look at the information if everything is correct. The message name is Jamie, how to get XXX, pro advice, and it needs to be immediately sent, or you can schedule this email. Once you're done, you simply click on send, and then if you have it on immediately, it will be sent out immediately, and your email is being sent with MailPrimo. So there comes other options. There also is an autoresponder with MailPrimo, which you can configure. So you can create an autoresponder. Again, here you can choose from plain text or inline editor. So let's take the plain text, your message name. Here is your freebie, for example, and subject, well, that's the same message. Let's get that in here. From name, Jamie, and then your from email. You need to configure that. And again, this platform also can be configured in here. I will go to that a little later. You can choose your SMTP, and you click on next again. And there you can configure your message. So you're going to type your message, blah, 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 blah. And you click on next, and then you need to define to which list you want to send this autoresponder to. So when people subscribe to your demo list, they automatically are getting this autoresponder. And here you can choose on which days you want to send out this autoresponder. So you can also choose to not send in the weekends, for example. Here you can choose when you want to send it. So after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and this goes up to 30 days. So you can plan an autoresponder for 1 month long. So I'm going to put this to instant, set the autoresponder. And this means now whenever somebody subscribes to this specific list, they will automatically get the email with the freebie that they subscribe with. So if I want to follow up the next day automatically, I simply create another autoresponder that will send out that message to them. Now there are more things in here, statistics from the newsletter, from the autoresponders. As you can see here, the templates that are in here that you can choose from, the form builder that we also have discussed before, and some bonuses that you can access that are being given automatically when you have Mail Primo. I'm going to also talk about the bonuses a little later. So I think that we covered a lot right now. The pop-ups, the emails, the pages, the forms, etc. All these applications will be given in one dashboard, in one application for a one-time price. To me, that's pretty amazing for a one-time fee. I think this is a good deal. Let me show you one more thing. We're in the email in Mail Primo, and here you can configure the things. So you can here from and reply email. Here you can set up from which email you want to mail. So for example, if you want to mail with your domain, you first need to verify your domain within this application. You can connect through API. When I click on API, you can also connect some other apps probably. Here you got your sending server. So my bonus is also about these sending servers if you want to add these. So the documentation comes for the Gmail and the Yahoo email, but you want to have these SMTP. So I'm going to show you how to set this up with my bonus. So let me go to my bonus page. Actually, let me see where that is. Do I have it in here? Yes, this is my bonus page. Here you can also read about the funnels. First, let me discuss the bonuses that I'm going to give away if you decide to purchase through my link. And I'm going to give away 50 bonuses to the first 50 buyers, so make sure that you get your spot on time. And my first bonus is my exclusive bonus, my personal training, where I'm going to show you how to set up SMTP within Smarketo, within Mail Primo. This, if you don't know how this works, it can be really frustrating to set things up, and there's no documentation. You get my full guide how I do this. I'm going to show you how I do this with my hosting provider, how I change my DNS settings, how I add some records that you need to have with an SMTP server, and how I connect that with Mail Primo. And this is definitely a bonus that you want to have if you get your hands on Smarketo. Then this is definitely something that you want to have. My second email that I'm going to give away is 400, more than 400 fill in the blank headlines. I mean, sending out emails, unlimited emails is awesome, but when people do not open your emails, you don't have anything working for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you more than 400 fill in the blank headlines. So that means that, like you see here on the image, improve your in as little as So improve your marketing skills in as little as 10 minutes a day. The second one, turn your, let me zoom in. These are just a few examples out of the 400 plus that you get. Turn your into a So for example, turn your hobby into a full-time business, or ways to without. So 10 ways to build your list, or 10 ways to get traffic to your website without spending a penny on advertising. Never ever suffer from again with unopened emails again. Stop start Well, you get the idea. You're going to get 400 plus fill in the blank headlines from me, exclusive. Nobody else is offering this, and you can use that within your email marketing campaigns that you're going to send out with Mail Primo. Very useful to have when you're a marketer. These are the hardest things to get when you write an email I'm going to give you all the fill-in-the-blank headlines that you can use. I'm also going to give you fill-in-the-blank email templates that work exactly the same. As you can see in here, subject line as promised, and then insert product benefit or product name. And then, hey name, we're ready for you, just as promised. Like I mentioned, if you, and then insert your problem or your desired outcome. Pay close attention to this. The only catch is, and then you put your catch in there. Well, you get the ID also. You get fill in the blank email templates also from me. What I'm also going to show you and give you is my training 10 tips for better inboxing. So you definitely want to have your emails into the inboxes of people. I'm going to show you the tips that will get your emails into the inbox instead of the spam box. Very important to know if you want to make the most out of your business. I'm also going to give you 10 strategies that I've used personally to build my list to thousands of subscribers. That's in my 5th bonus. With that, I'm also going to give you 2,000 lead magnets that you can give away as a freebie to build your list, or as a bonus. You know, I showed you the bonus page that you can create with Smarketo, with the page builder. I'm going to give you 2,000 lead magnets that you can give away in these pages as bonus, or you can use that within your pop-ups. Hey, get, and then this product for free, subscribe. I'm going to give you 2,000 lead magnets that you can download from me and that you can use as your own. And then bonus 7 is the content ID generator. This content ID generator spits out content IDs for you. You just fill in a few words and then it's also spitting out content IDs for you that you can write about. Very cool thing, very cool bonus. And then also you're going to get all the bonuses that are provided by the product vendor. And when you see this blue part here, you can click on this and a lot of affiliates probably are going to give you these bonuses that are on this page that you're going to see right now. So when you see this page with all these bonuses in here, let me scroll down, all these bonuses done for you, so no, even further. Web conversion videos, instant content creator, WP Headline Pro, Article Indexer Pro, lead generation on demand, etc. Mart Expert, Biz Landing Page plugin. All these plugins, all these bonuses, you can look at them yourselves going to my website. Click on this link. They will be provided into your dashboard automatically when you're in here. Probably it will be somewhere in here. When you go to bonus, you'll see all these bonuses on the inside. You will get these automatically when you buy Smarketo. So these are my bonuses that I'm going to give away. Let us talk about the upsells. These are also on my page. When you go to the page, let me put that on screen again. If you want to grab my bonuses, you can go to timverdal.com/Smarketo. You got the front end, which will cost you the best option as far as I can see it right now, but check the sales page for it for $67. 2 options, 47 and 67. The 67 gives you the most options. And you can read all about what's in the front end also here on my website. Then there's a pro upgrade, the first pro upgrade, which is between $47 and $67, which will give you extra templates, additional templates, more pop-up notification templates, etc. You can create unlimited account subdomains to use with Smarketo. So you can also create multiple subdomains that you can use. That comes with the first upgrade. The second upgrade is the enterprise version, which will also give you extra. Let me see what that is. Cutting edge autoresponder, instantly build relation and make more sales by delivering personalized emails to your new subscriber automation. That's already in the front end. Let me see what's in here. Oh yeah, that was list cleaning tools, etc. Keep your list clean and active to increase delivery, opens and clicks with the help of bounce rate management. Easily copy, move, or delete your list and contacts to keep your customers happy by managing them the better. So there's more managing within your email application with this upgrade. Then there's also an agency upgrade, which allows you to sell the application, if I'm correct. It says it empower your subscribers. By the way, this is written from me to from them to me to you. So they say empower your subscribers or empower you to get your own 6-7-figure business with this agency license, so you can directly sell Smarketo licensed and charge monthly or recurring amount for 100% profit. So what you can do is when you buy this agency license, you can sell this to your clients, this application, and charge a monthly fee for the same application. So you buy this once and you can ask a recurring fee for that. Then we got the OTO4, which is a premium membership where you can create unlimited accounts for your unlimited businesses and make all of them easily. Not sure exactly what this is. Probably within your application you can do more stuff. Just take the time to read slowly over all these points yourself so you can see what comes within here. But I think the most important are the front end and a few upgrades that you have at the front if you want to use Smarketo as your own business, as your own landing page builder, email provider, pop-up builder, etc. So to close this, Smarketo is an application that gives you all these options, like I just said, landing page builders, pop-up builders, forms builders, autoresponders, email service, all in one application for a one-time investment. If you like to get Smarketo, I would appreciate it, of course. If you get it through my link, you will also get the bonuses that I just mentioned that are on my page. As long as the spots are not gone, you can get these bonuses. If you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comments below where you see this video. I'm always happy to answer your questions. And it's a bit more extensive review than I do normally, but I think this comes because we basically reviewed multiple apps within one review. If you stayed to the end, thank you for watching for 40 minutes to me, and thank you for watching this Smarketo review. And yeah, if you want to grab it through my link. You get the bonuses. And thank you for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Have an awesome day, and talk soon. Bye bye.